In this lesson, we will learn to crochet leaves and flowers. First, crochet the leaves. Start with a slip knot to prevent the yarn from loosening. Attach the yarn to any stitch. Pull the yarn through and chain 1. In the same stitch, crochet a single crochet. Chain 4. Skip 2 stitches and crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the pattern, chain 4, skip 2 stitches, single crochet, until the end. Chain stitches should also be counted as stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Round 2, chain 1. In the chain space, crochet a single crochet. Chain 5. Then slip stitch into the back loop of the third chain from the hook. Chain 3, then crochet a single crochet in the same space. Repeat the pattern. Single crochet, chain 5, slip stitch into the back loop of the third chain, chain 3, single crochet, until the end. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1 and fasten off. Use a yarn needle to weave in the ends and trim excess yarn. Next, crochet the flowers. Attach the yarn to a stitch between 2 leaves. Chain 15. Increase the number for larger flowers. Starting from the 4th chain from the hook, crochet 3 double crochets into the back loop of each chain. After completing the row, chain 3 and slip stitch into the last stitch. Roll the flower from right to left. Secure the flower by slip stitching through the base horizontally. Leave a tail of yarn and fasten off. Tie the 2 ends together and pull them through the center of the flower. Tie again to secure. Trim excess yarn, leaving a small tail. Repeat the process for the remaining flowers. For denser flowers, place them closer together. For example, skip only 1 space between flowers. Done!